Might be the turning point in the match right here, though, Mike. Who's going to get to a vertical base first?
30 seconds remains in the allotted time. 30 seconds remain in the time limit.
You hear JB with the announcement. Under 30 seconds in this 10-minute time limit matchup.
15 seconds remain. 15.
Someone's got to go for something.
10.
Laying the shots in.
Just going punch for
here
punch.
they go.
It's like a street fight.
5,
it's like a hockey fight out here.
3,
Oh!
2,
Got a cover, is there a cover?
1. Ladies and gentlemen, referee Brian Hebner has declared this matchup a time limit draw.
Ah, come on. God, I'd love to see this thing go more.
I couldn't agree more.
I could have went either way.
This match between Samoa Joe and Jeff Hardy, and the way that it ends in the 10-minute time limit draw on Impact, it just keeps you wanting more, Taz.
No doubt about that. Nothing referee Brian Hebner can do. I'd like to see these guys hook it up, man, at some point in the future. And you know what? You know what?
You may not have to wait.
Yeah.
You know what? The future's now.
Yeah, and Jeff's just getting started, ripping the shirt off. There we go. Hey. And there's no bell ringing. I don't know if this thing's official. There's bells ringing now, but I think that's the...
Trying to separate them. And finally, the two are separated, but I got to tell you, I cannot wait to see a rematch between Samoa Joe and Jeff Hardy.